I'm going to show you how to get a custom ringtone on iPhone. Let's get started. So head over to the App Store and download GarageBand. Keep in mind that the app is 1.6 gigabytes, so depending on your internet speed, it might take a while. By now, GarageBand should be installed. Open it and follow these steps. Tap Continue to skip notifications. Swipe over to Audio Recorder and select Voice. Tap the brick wall icon on the left to open your timeline. Tap the loop icon. Go to File, search sound that you want. Drag and drop it onto the timeline. Now edit the file. Trim the beginning or move the playhead to your favorite section. Adjust to your liking and preview the sound. AP the downward arrow top left. My songs. Long press on My Song. Tap Share. Choose Ringtone as a format. Rename it. And tap Export. Tap OK to set your new ringtone. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics. Your new ringtone should be at the top. Tap to preview and select it. You can also set it as a text tone, voicemail, email alert, or any notification. And there you have it. A brand new, custom ringtone on your iPhone without needing a computer. This method is quick, efficient, and works on iOS 17 and beyond. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.